Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are concerned with the core of the teaching of J. Krishnamurti. Perhaps we have come to the most important place, that is his core of the teaching. When Krishnamurti was to be announced as the world teacher, simply he refused the position. He was not ready to accept any titles or honor. He simply rejected all those things. Then he declared that truth is a pathless land. Nobody can devise any path to truth, because truth is not static. Truth is ever changing. Truth cannot be organized. Hence, he did not want to establish any religion or sect. He simply negated all those kind of things. He told only belief can be organized. Truth as such cannot be in any way organized. He is only concerned about the truth. Now, what is truth? Truth means our everyday life. Truth is not somewhere else. Truth is here and now. How not to be violent? That includes the truth. We must be concerned about the truth only. We must be concerned about your mind. The mind is common to all the beings, all the people of the world. So there is no you and me here. There are no separate paths. There are no different paths to truth. People have devised so many paths towards truth. Doing this, we have created only conflicts. Generally, it is believed that truth has many paths. All these are tricks of our own mind only. These are all only gratification and based on pleasure seeking. For example, if I am romantic, then I call that method as Bhakti Yoga. If I am involved in activity, that is known as Karma Yoga. Similarly, there are so many other ways are devised. These are all born out of our own gratification and pleasure seeking. But truth is common to each and every one. There cannot be any path to truth, because truth is not stationary. We cannot travel from here to there. It is not like a physical path. Whatever is here, we are to be attentive and meditative towards that. Many of our friends have told that Krishnamurti's philosophy is very difficult to understand. But in our opinion, Krishnamurti's philosophy is very simple and direct, because he did not accept the position of a guru. He did not accept the position of a disciple also. He shared his wisdom just like a friend sharing his ideas to some other friend. Simply he was quite ordinary. His simplicity is incomparable. His teachings are ever relevant. Those who want to be simple, For those persons, his teaching will be attractive. Why it seems that J. Krishnamurti's teachings are very complicated? For our own minds are complicated. Hence, J. Krishnamurti's teachings seem to be abstract and difficult to follow. But he is perhaps the most simple person we have ever got. Krishnamurti's life vision is very simple. He always says we have to be concerned with our daily life. How our daily life can be transformed. That is his only concern. That's why he wants to set man completely free from all the conflicts, all the difficulties faced by human being, all the beliefs, etc. He wants that man should be completely free from all the conditionings. That can be achieved if we are at most simple and sincere to our core. Hence, his teaching is ever relevant. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of J. Krishnamurti's teaching. Thanks for watching.